Lonely, I am so lonely.
I'm average guy. Am I short?
You are short, my guy. I'm not so sure what I'm going to wear. It's between two outfits. So, lonely, I am so lonely. I have nobody to call my own. Guys, I'm so lonely. My friend left already, so it's just me. It's just me, myself, and I. That was hard. Really hard. What's up, guys? I don't even know what I'm going to do today. Maybe I'll just watch some Netflix and just chill in the living room since I'm all alone. So let's go and do that. Guys, I took out my braids, as you can see. Praise the Lord. Let's go watch some Netflix. Follow me, follow me. What's up, guys? I'm about leaving the house now. I have issues with my laptop, so I'm going to fix it. So this is what I'm wearing. This lovely two-piece from Viva P clothing. Love the fit. She's amazing, by the way. Maybe I'm going to link her handle somewhere around the screen, so go to check her out on Instagram. Yeah. So this is what I'm wearing. Going with my tote bag as usual. My laptop is in here. What else do I need? I need money. And I think I should wear glasses.
Am I short?
You are short, my guy.
I'm not this over the
When if you did rate them,
average guy, I say I look tall and no short.
Oh, if the for man is short, oh. Why is that? I'm being honest. Guys, I'm back. I know I didn't fix my laptop. I left it with them. They said they need to do backup and reset, something like that, before they will give it back to me. So I'll be going back in like in 3 hours time. I'll go back to get it. So I'll just rest for like 3 hours, then I'll go, maybe probably in the evening. Yeah, it should be done by then. I'll go and collect it. Quick updates, guys. I didn't go back to get my laptop. When I was about leaving the house, someone called me, and that's the laptop guy. He called me to tell me that something happened, that he was unable to fix it today, so I have to come back on Monday to collect it. So I didn't go back. What's up, guys? Good evening. Ignore my scarf. I know I look like a grandmother. So I got invited to a private listening party. Yes, my friend is releasing his single on the 27th of this month, so he invited me to his private listening party tomorrow, y'all. So I don't know if you remember, some of you that pay attention or watch my videos, my vlogs, in my end of the year vlog, where I posted a video of a bunch of people dancing, and I mentioned someone, I called someone a superstar. And if you pay attention, he's actually my superstar, because he's a good, he's in short, he's amazing. His music is top notch. So he's releasing his single on the 27th, so and I'm for sure gonna be there. So let's check the invites together. Oh wow, looks amazing. Let me show you. Do you want to see? Oh wow, this is so cute. Packaging looks so cute. As you can see, his name written boldly, Sean Dice. Yes, big man Sean. Let's see what's inside. Oh wow, guys, this is the title of the song that he's releasing, Cruise Control. So I got a peacock with the title, Cruise Control. What's this? Vodka. I'm for sure not gonna take this. I'm not a vodka person. He was supposed to write Afro-Jenna, and then he wrote my travel name. Yeah, I think that's all. So we are gonna party tomorrow. We are gonna party tomorrow. A horrible singer. You should know that by now. So that's about that. I don't even know what I'm going to wear for this party. Well, we'll decide on that tomorrow. For now, I have to go and make TikTok videos. See you guys tomorrow. So guys, I'm getting ready for the event. I'm not so sure what I'm going to wear. It's between two outfits, but whatever I decide on, you guys will see. So guys, this is my full outfit for the event. This is what I ended up wearing. Yeah, I wore sneakers before, but I wasn't really feeling sneakers, so I decided to go for slippers. So we're already late. Let's go. So guys, we just arrived the venue. I'm about to enter.
As you can. We are going to count to 20. Any money when you carry from here now your 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you go like before. See, when they hear me so, when I use 1 minute to fear women, just 1 minute. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 1 12, 13, 14. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Eyeball to eyeball, 11. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, just look at the screen. I'm not good on camera. Just look at the screen. One of the moments, ladies and gentlemen. We talk about the release party, the listener party of cruise control. Come on, they're calling me. Ladies and gentlemen, we start off with the man of the moment. He's the man of the moment. What is going on? Jesus Christ. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, if you lost the price tonight, can I hear you say yeah, yeah? Ladies and gentlemen, if you're out for some price tonight, can I?
Oh, no. The door, no. So let's make this place look beautiful tonight. Don't know.
Burning bullshit, yes. Son of Elijah. Sweet your fish cause you are ready. We can't stay with you, girl, even when your day's ready. Nobody's sweet and nobody thirsty. Nobody got them. Nobody can lay down. And do your thing, do it again. Do your thing, and do it again. I know I have stopped on skinny. I just want to walk in my deep inside. We got the story. We got nice about my home. My best days, she drive me crazy.
Feedback. What the fuck is going on? Now, you guys know. Let me see your lights. Let me see your lights. Anytime, you don't know. Guys. See, what this song is that, please, let's push this song. Like, together, you guys are the reason why I'm here. You guys are the reason why I do this. So this song is... Are you ready? Drop that shit. This is special for my people. My man, just chill. Look at show my people something. Drop that shit, man. You don't know. Make money and see you. God bless you, my brother. God bless you. God's one thing on me charge. Sit on me family. Because I didn't know what it is. But now I'm really sick. But we know it now I'm really sick. Yeah. Give thanks for this. Let your blessings. So long time for never have. Let your blessings. Hello. What's up? It's not fucking up. Long time so we set it up. Waistline, one line, spin running up. Everything so yeah.
Yeah, you deliver.
I swear.
You deliver.
I swear.
Hey!
I swear like I have control.
I will come in.
Guys, hey, yesterday was mad fun. Jesus, Master Jesus, I've not had this much fun in a while. Like, God, it was no longer a listening party, it turned into a concert. Because what? Master Jesus, thank you, Sean, for this concert. It was not a listening party, it was a concert. Did you see? Oh my God, I got back home late yesterday, so I could not talk to you guys. I was so tired from the shouting and jumping and jubilating. Hey, God. Yesterday was overall amazing. It was amazing. Jesus, everything that happened, I was so happy. I was jumping. I almost lost my voice, though. Jesus. I beg. No. It really was fun. Please, I don't want this video to be too lengthy. So this will be the end. This brings us to the end of the vlog. See you in my next video. And please, like my videos, watch my previous videos. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you are just seeing me for the first time, please don't make this your last. Subscribe to my channel and turn on post notification, very important, so I can get a lot of my videos. Guys, I'm so tired. I need to go back to sleep. See you guys in my next vlog.